In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. This is a simple process that will only take a few minutes, and it's especially useful if you frequently need to print documents in A4 format, which is widely used outside of the United States. So, let's get started. First, you want to begin by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Word icon from your desktop or accessing it through your Start menu. Once Word is open, you'll either be greeted by a blank document or your last opened document, which is fine, as we'll change the settings universally. Next, head over to the Page Layout tab, which you'll find along the ribbon at the top of the Word window. This tab holds various options for customizing the layout of your document, including margins, orientation, and of course, paper size. After you've clicked on Page Layout, take a look for the Page Setup section. This might be a bit further along the right side of the ribbon, so don't hesitate to scroll or move along if you need to. Once you see the Page Setup launcher, click on it. This is typically a small arrow icon located at the bottom right of the section, and clicking it will open the Page Setup dialog box. This is where all the magic happens. Now within the Page Setup dialog box, you'll notice a few tabs at the top. Click on the tab labeled Paper. Here is where you can set the size of the paper you'll be working with in Word. By default, it might show as letter, which is standard in the US, but you're going to change this. In the Paper Size drop-down menu, click to reveal the list and find A4. Select it to indicate your preference for this paper size. A4 is a common paper dimension used internationally, measuring at 210 by 297 millimeters, or 8.27 by 11.69 inches. Selecting A4 is ideal for those of you who frequently print documents intended for a global audience, or who are situated in regions where A4 is standard. Once A4 is selected, look towards the bottom of the dialog box and click on Set as Default. This step ensures that your future documents will automatically use A4 as the default paper size, saving you time and effort later on. Finally, click OK to confirm these changes and close the dialog box. And there you have it. You've now set A4 as the default paper size in Microsoft Word. Congratulations on making this quick but effective change. Remember, this adjustment only needs to be made once, and from now on, your documents will automatically start on an A4 layout, making your workflow that much more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!